Hello class. This video tutorial is a short presentation about presentations. Presentations are how you present your work to the public or to the class or to your client. How you present your work is important whether you are a photographer, an architect, or a fashion designer, or whether your work is in a gallery, a newspaper, or in an online portfolio. In order to demonstrate making a presentation, I am using a work by a former student named Stephen, who gave me his permission to use this image. Stephen's theme is stress and emotion. I love this image. The colors are intense or bold. The design or pattern is interwoven on its way to being tied in knots like stress. Nevertheless, it is very appealing. It is seeking a resolution. Now we will add the presentation. So we're going to add space to the canvas that the work sits on. First, I'm going to image and choose canvas size. I want to enlarge the space the image sits on without enlarging the image itself. We want to change the space outside the image to white, gray, or black. And you can see the canvas extension color down here is white, gray, or black. And we're going to use white this time. And then we're going to change the 8 to 10 inches and do the same thing with the height. Because it's a square, so it's going to be both the same on the width and the height. And then we'll pick OK. So here we have white, and I want you to keep in mind that this is not a frame, it is not a border. It is space outside the image, which separates the image from everything else around it. It makes a good presentation, and white is my choice. Okay, let's go up to Edit and pick Undo Canvas Size to remove what we just did. Then we'll go back to Canvas Size and choose Gray. Leave the center box selected. Then we'll change again the 8 to 10 and the 8 to 10. We're adding 2 inches. Then we'll pick OK. So the space outside the box or the image is called the space outside the image, and it's gray this time. Gray is a neutral color. It's a little on the corporate side, but that's okay. Some people like this, and I think it's a perfectly fine way to go. So let's undo what we just did. Go up to Image and choose Canvas Size. This time we'll pick black. And we'll choose 10 for the width and 10 for the height. And pick OK. Oh, all right, black is a good choice because there's some black in the image. Black is very elegant, it's very strong. So this wouldn't work for a delicate piece. But this was Stephen's choice, and I think it's a good choice for his presentation. We have not created a border, as I said. This is a presentation or space which separates an image from everything around it. It's like a mat around an artwork in an art gallery. I'm sure you've seen this many times. You need to also consider your other work, the style that fits your online or physical portfolio. So there you have it, and I hope you have enjoyed this presentation about presentations.